Are we going to get a major reversal on APE? Well, this is what we're going to cover today. We're going to see what we can expect next, really, what price we can reach, and what move we can do. So as always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications. Thank you so much if you take the time to do it. Yeah, APE finally broken here that previous high. Why I'm saying this is simply because we are possibly changing the market structure, and we are changing it from our first target right here we have planned. That's pretty cool. Now the thing is, as I said here, as you can see, this was an update I've done with VIP before, so now I'm making all the VIP content public. So if you want to, yeah, just get some nice content, really, not to subscribe, you're gonna get some nice stuff here. But anyway, so this was the first target really here. Okay, so we was looking for these waves here to the downside before to really cover the current price action. We need to understand what happened before to really expect some few possible stuff next. So what we've got here is simply bam, an A wave. Okay, so 5 waves down here, 5 waves, a correction here. What we've got into this correction, we've got an ABC flat. Okay, so correction, and we've got another 5 waves here, so ABC flat. From this ABC flat here, we in that case finish the B wave, the yellow B wave. Okay, so from here we make the C wave to the downside. C wave, as always, is 5 waves, so we have to look for an impulsive or an ending. What do we have here more likely? It's simply an ending, because we have some ABC zigzag in every smaller wave, called the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, not necessarily the wave 2 and 4, but the wave 1, 3, and 5. Okay, so wave 1 here, wave 2 retracement, 3, wave 4, and the wave 5 to the downside here. Last move to the downside. We're going to cover really now this section of the chart so you can really understand that. So is the C wave bottom in? Yes, it is possibly done. It depends on, it really depends on the wave we're going to do next. Okay, I'm going to explain you what I want to see next to really confirm a possible reversal. Again, remember, it's never 100% sure. Why? Because even if here, for example, we get some 5 waves up, it can simply be for an ABC zigzag, so a correction again to go more down, but we still have a 5 waves up, and so this can be a possible reversal next. Okay, so here, what are the smaller wave? Because the thing is, you have to understand, like, if we have now to be bullish like this, for example, to make a move to the upside with a nice uptrend, okay, we have to get an impulsive. We have to get an impulsive move, then we're going to do the correction, and we're going to be able to buy on that retest. As I say, it's not useful to try to catch a knife. By the way, if you want to understand more about how you can really invest into these targets, you just have to go and check out the YouTube channel here. You go into the video, you scroll down here, and you will just find this video here. Don't buy here, and don't buy here and here, just buy here. It's name it. I wish I know that bit for investing in crypto. Really go and check out this video. You're going to understand exactly how you have to do this. Now, of course, I'm going to show you also a bit right now, but yeah, this is really, if we have to push high here, okay, just come on this, if we really have to push high, we will need to get some 5 waves impulsive here. So I'm going to give you all the smaller wave of this push up so you can really know what to expect next. If you want to scalp this, for example, this was a possible scalp long yesterday night, for example, to raise this push up. Yeah, I'm going to show you everything. So what we can see here, let me just remove the targets. Okay, so we can now we know that we bounce it from here, so that's pretty cool. So now we can look for this push to the upside to see if this, I mean, to determine really what we need to get if we have to get a reversal or a continuation. But as I said, the first good stuff is that we've broken this top right here, so we are possibly changing the market structure. You know, we was doing clearly some lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower low, and some high, lower high, lower high. Now if we start breaking this previous high, okay, we're going to finally make a higher high, okay, or high, bam, higher high, and we have a higher low next, and this is a change in the market structure, and so we can expect move next a possible reversal. Okay, oops, I'm gonna delete just this, not all the waves. Sorry, so in that case here, what do we have? First off, we have a possible, so wave 1, wave 2, and then what we can count here, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a possible wave 5, last push up. That's why it was a possible long yesterday night. So to speak, you have this right here. Okay, so you have all of this. You have this first possible, so wave 1 to AB as always. That's why this is important to keep an eye on this. If we do the 5 waves, then this is more likely bullish. If we do the ABC exactly, this is bearish. Okay, so we have this 5 waves correction. Okay, we'll have first this 5 waves correction, then we'll have another bam 5 waves correction. So we have a wave 1 2, another wave 1 2, or an AB first. Okay, if you don't get what I mean, why I'm saying that a wave 1 2 or an AB, it's simply because when you have a 5 waves, okay, up to the upside this, for example, 1 2, let's draw this, you have a wave 1 2 3 4 5 like this. What we can expect next, it's simply, so an ABC zigzag, you have an A B C. Why we can expect this or a wave 1, oops, I'm going to pull it on the right. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Red waves, perfect. Let me pull some bit of a bigger waves. Nice. What you can expect, sorry, one of the two patterns, I mean both patterns really, simply because the A wave have 5 waves, the wave 1 have 5 waves, the B wave, wait just a second please. Alright, so here the B wave have a correction, the wave 2 have a correction, then the C wave have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the wave 3 have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see the small waves are exactly the same, so that's why it can be a bit tricky, but yeah, if we start to change the market structure, do all of this, then we're more likely into the impulsive, right? So that's why we can expect an ABC zigzag or a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the red wave you can see here. Okay, I really hope that makes sense. So in that case, so as you understood, A, B, or 1, 2 first, okay, then we have another wave 1, 2 that can only be a wave 1, 2 here because we're either in a C or in a wave 3 here, wave 3 or C wave, okay? So in that case, we need to get 5 waves up now. So here, in that case here, wave 1, wave 2, then we have the wave 3, the wave 4 retracement, and the wave 5 here. Okay, so we are looking now for the wave 5 to be done. So what we can do here to find the possible wave 5 turrets is simply to pull the extension to, if I can just remove these draws, perfect. Let me just remove that, perfect. What we need to do here to find the targets of this pink wave 5 is simply to pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 4 bottom here. Okay, from here you're going to add your, so you can remove the 618 1-to-1 extension. Okay, normally these are all the wave 5 targets. Now I clean a bit the chart. You can remove, so the 618 is the first target, 1-to-1 extension, because we're already above. So you can keep the 1618 as always, never well touch it with dollars. We can absolutely go a bit above. I mean, it's most of the time not, for example here it is, but it's most of the time not with respect to the dollars. So we can absolutely spend some time a bit above and then retrace. But yeah, so this is the first target really we have to be aware of, and this is the second target. Okay, of the ping wave 5, so to speak, of this 5 wave like this. Okay, bam. So now the thing is, once we have done these 5 waves, so these are the 2 targets really for the wave 5. Okay, as you understood, so red square here and red square right here. These are the 2 targets. Now if we start doing an extension, then we have to find the higher targets really, and if we have to find the higher targets, it's very simple. What we have to do is simply pull the higher time frame impulsive, I mean bigger impulsive really, or APC, C extension. So to speak, we pull the extension from the wave 1 root or the A wave root to the A wave top or the wave 1 top to the B wave top or the wave 2 bottom. Okay, from here normally you add your wave 3 target, so to speak here, bam, wave 3, 1-to-1 extension, 1618. So now again I'm going to remove these 2 before because we're already above and already hit the 200%. So 200%, then we'll have the 2618, then we'll have the 3618, sorry, and then we'll have the 42316. Okay, so these are all the wave 3 or the C, not the C wave target. This will be an extension for the C, so I'm not looking mainly for the C, more likely looking for the impulsive, but this will be otherwise the targets if we really have to go above these 2 wave 5 targets. Okay, bam, these are the targets above really. Now, can we do a super crazy move to the upside? Yes, it's possible. It's absolutely possible. For example, if we really have to be super bullish, okay, this was a wave 1, 2, this was a wave 1, 2, this was a wave 1, 2, and now we're going to see about 3, 4, 5, and 3, 5. But in any case, once we're done, you know, with this big, if we have to do really something crazy big to the upside, like 1, 2, bam, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3, 4, 5, and extra. At the end, we're going to finish the 5 waves, right? And so we're going to get a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, and so we're going to buy into this retracement here. So it's going to take some time to form this, but yeah, we remain patient, and we just wait for the good moment, right? But yeah, for now, don't want to be too bullish as always. Gonna remain with this for now. As always, I'm not too bullish or too bearish. I'm neutral. I'm just reading what I'm seeing on the chart. Yeah, as we're starting to change a bit more the market structure, I mean, as we're starting really to change possibly change the market structure, I'm more likely taking these 5 waves right here to the upside. So in that case, yeah, wave 3 in that case, once we have done the ping wave 5 into one of the 2 first targets, or if we have to do an extension, we go for the next ones. Then we're simply going to look for the wave 3 top to be in. Right here, so C wave or wave 3. If this is a C wave, remember we're not going to get any wave 4 and 5. Okay, so to speak here, sorry for the noise in the background. So A, B, C, okay, or wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to speak here, once you have done the wave 3, you're just going to get a drop. Once you have done the wave 3, you have the drop, but for the wave 4 and then for the wave 5. Okay, so yeah, remember this is extremely important. So now once we have done, let's say that we just make one more small push to the upside, then how do you find the wave 4 target? Just pull the wave 4, the retracement tool, sorry, from the wave 3 top, the red waves, bam bam bam, the wave 3 top here to the wave 2 bottom or the wave 3 root, and you just have to add here the 2316, MC fib, 3132, and 3812. This will be your buy zone really, where you are going to expect to get a bounce and make the wave 5 next. Once we are in the wave 5 here, you just pull your third click of this extension tool from the wave on top, and you pull your third click here on the wave 4 bottom. From here you add your wave 5 targets, 618, 1-to-1 extension, 1618, 2618. So this will become next your wave 5 targets, where you can look for a short and for a reversal. So the thing is, once we have done these 5 waves, let's say that we go to the 1618 here. Okay, so once we have done these 5 waves here, let me just pull this back. I don't know where is the bottom here. Okay, here, perfect. So let me just pull this back here, bam, and move this a bit more on the right. 2850, no, let's go with 500. And this is not like this, perfect. And we can remove the 1618 and the 120 extension here because we went above. Perfect. So now once we have done these 5 waves to the upside, if we do the 5 waves and not the ABC, if this is an ABC, we're just going to go through the wave 4 and everything because that's a correction ABC to go more down. So again, read the order flow, for example, in here. Check out a small wave. We need to get an impulsive star here to form the push to the upside. But yeah, the order flow is really, really important in my opinion. If you read this, you know what's happening behind the market, so it's pretty cool. I mean, more likely as always. But anyway, so here once you have done the 5 waves here, okay, what you're going to look for is simply next a bigger wave 1, 2, and bam, here we go, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna change the wave here so you can really see the difference. Bam, and let's pull some bigger like this. We're going to look for such configuration. So next one, when we're going to be in this wave 2, we're just going to look for bam, this retracement right here, and we're going to look for a buy for investment or for trading for the 38.2. If you have to be really bullish, then we'll have 70% chance to go between the 56.1 and 66%, and then we are going to look for the 7x6. These are going to be the 3 main targets really for a buy investment and for a long trade. Now of course, when we are going to be done, if we have to do the 1, 2, 3 or 5 here to the upside, we are of course going to be able to recognize where the big support all the way. I mean, when we push up like this, we print some support, right? So we're going to be able, when we come back down, to recognize where we're more likely going to go. For example, maybe if there is no confidence on the 38.2, then we don't care, we don't look for that one. We look for the next one, for example, if there are some good big support with this. So yeah, we will need this data here, the full data, before to be more accurate on the retrace, okay, before it's possible to do this. So for now, we can look at the fib and look at this target here, okay? But again, we don't know yet if we're going to do a bigger wave 3, if we're going to do a bigger wave 5, so it's gonna hire everything, so it's gonna hire the retracement tool too, so it's gonna change the targets. That's why for now it's just a bit early. I just want to show you how to do it really. But in any case, if we start to get something really nice on this, I'm gonna be here to trade that for sure, and so I'm gonna update on the YouTube channel. So as always, make sure to smash the likes, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications really to not miss anything. And if you enjoy the content, as I said, don't hesitate to smash the likes. That's just the big reward from me, from the videos really I'm giving to you, the nice content. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed. I wish you all a brilliant day. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.